guys, welcome back. Remember, this week is another At Bats with Author's Purpose. What we're going to do is recap our thinking steps. So when we are looking for author's purpose and central idea, we need to stop, think, and ask. 1. What is the topic and central idea? Once we're done identifying that, we are going to determine what signpost the author is using. Last step, when you notice this nonfiction signpost, ask, is the author using this to clarify, emphasize, or illustrate information? Now we're going to model this using a multiple choice question today for the article we read on Monday. Let's go through the thinking steps. But first, there's also something else I want to use when looking at multiple choice questions, and that is our secret weapon, our secret. When using our secret, the very first thing I want to do is read the question. Why did the author choose to write this article? Well, I want to circle important words in the question to help me understand what it's trying to ask. And when I see these keywords, why, author chose to write, it makes me think automatically, author's purpose. That's what I need to find out. Now let's go through those steps. So 1, what was my topic and central idea for this article? Well, if I notice already, in the title, face mask is the topic. Reading throughout the text and also using a little bit of the title, I know that the central idea is a shortage of supplies that the healthcare professionals are facing. Step 2, I want to determine what nonfiction signpost the author is using. Mostly, I noticed quoted words over examples and personal opinions of how individuals and businesses are volunteering to make face masks. So everyone's being real helpful in this article. Then I go to step 3. So all this, keep in mind, is going back to the text. So that G part in our secret. Step 3. When I see this signpost, I want to ask myself not only the big thinking question, which is, why did the author quote or cite this person? Once I figure that out, I want to ask myself, is the author using this to clarify, emphasize, or illustrate information? And based on what I read, it seems like the author provides the negative impact that the shortage would have and the positive impact that these face masks are having, which leads me to believe that he wants to inform me on the positive impact that it is having on the situation, especially for hospitals that are in need. Now that I've done that, I want to go back to my multiple choice question and read the question just once more. So why did the author choose to write this article? Then I want to interact with my answer choices and leave evidence once I think I found it. Answer choice A. To illustrate the positive contributions the public is trying to do to help in the shortage of face masks. That sounds really similar to what I have here. But let's keep going. So I'll put a maybe for that, an M. B. To teach readers how to make their own face mask at home. I don't really notice that how to when I read. C, to provide readers with the most up-to-date information on the shortage of face masks. I don't think necessarily. I mean, they are giving us this information, but up to date, it's not like something they're constantly trying to share with us over and over. So maybe MBS, not best supported. Answer choice D, to convince the reader to participate in the making of face masks. I think they're just more sharing information. It's not like asking more people to do it. It's just saying that they like that people are doing this. So for me, I would say not best supported by the text. And based on looking through all these answer choices and interacting with them, I'd say A is the best answer choice. Now you are going to try using the thinking steps, also using our secret when you're looking at multiple choice questions to be sure that you're going through each piece to make sure you selected the best answer.